Welcome to this week's credit update. My name is Alex Grimnes with Premier Credit Consulting, and today we're talking about things that your clients should know about medical collections that'll make it easier for them to get ready to credit qualify for their home loan. So let's jump into this week's credit update. The first one is that the credit bureaus in 2022 came out with a release that they are no longer going to allow paid medical collections to be on the credit report. Now, this is really important because if a consumer goes in and pays a medical collection, technically that collection can be removed from the credit profile. However, we have found that the client needs to take action to remove that account from the credit profile. It's not just going to fall off on its own. A settlement letter is oftentimes usable when it comes to rescoring the account to remove the medical collection from the credit report. Or the consumer can take action to dispute the information with the credit bureaus after they've paid the medical collection to get it removed that way. For resources on disputing accounts, you can go to our webpage. We have a full guide on what your client can do to resolve that on their own.